In a world newly discovering both wealth and power, one nation dared to dream bigger than all others. The Dutch Republic, rich, innovative, unstoppable. But in the year 1637, everything changed. A marketplace of dreams collapsed overnight, turning fortunes into dust. This is the untold story of the first stock market crash in human history. Cue old parchment map of Europe. Zoom into Amsterdam. The 1600s were a golden century for the Dutch. Their ships ruled the seas, returning with pepper, silk, tea, and unimaginable treasures from the East. Introduce Dutch East India Company, VOC. The first publicly traded company. Citizens invest, they get share certificates. Explain. Trade expansion, right arrow, massive profits. Amsterdam becomes world's financial capital. Merchants become millionaires. Among all the riches that flowed into Amsterdam, one treasure stole the heart of the elite, a flower. Enter tulips from Ottoman Empire, colorful, rare, exotic. People treat tulips like luxury status symbols. A single bulb traded like gold. Rare patterns called flames or breaks. Interviews actors. Rich merchant. Owning tulips shows that God has blessed your fortune. Soon tulip trading left the gardens and entered taverns. Here, deals were made not for flowers but promises. The invention of tulip futures contracts. Debt-based speculation. Everyone invests. Butchers, barbers, sailors, even maids. Speculator character. Why work when flowers can make us rich? Never before had the world seen such madness. A flower bulb worth more than diamonds. People sell land, livestock, homes to buy tulips. Even the Dutch government had no idea what creature they had created. Key points. Dutch Republic in war with Spain. Plague killing thousands. Still tulip prices rise. Merchants believe tulips are risk-free wealth. But all bubbles burst, and so did this one. A rare bulb is put up for bidding. No one bids. Silence. Fear spreads, prices collapse within days. People refuse to honor contracts. Credit freezes. Debts skyrocket. Panic scenes. People tearing contracts. Banks close doors. By spring, the dream was over. Those who were rich today became beggars tomorrow. Consequences. Huge class conflict. Lawsuits flood courts. Government tries, but cannot fix the broken promises. Merchants ashamed, stop talking about tulips publicly. Tulip Mania was not just a story of flowers. It was the birth of financial speculation. Lessons. Markets driven by emotion, not luck. Greed creates bubbles. History repeats. South Sea Bubble, 1720. Wall Street Crash, 1929. Dot-com Bubble, 2000. Crypto and modern speculation. The world's first stock market crash did not destroy the Dutch Republic, but it changed finance forever. Whenever you trade in hope of riches, remember, once, a simple flower fooled the smartest merchants on earth. Fade to old tulip illustration. Not every man who entered the tulip trade did so with honest intentions. Behind the scenes, powerful traders manipulated prices like puppeteers. Reveal. Wealthy syndicates artificially inflate prices. They spread rumors of scarcity. Artists create fake, rare pattern paintings to increase demand. Interview-style actor voice. Shady banker. It is not the flower that matters. It is the belief we create around it. Insight. Birth of market manipulation. Similar to today's pump and dump schemes. Background music, tense, slow strings. When the final bell of fortune stopped ringing, ruin came for the weakest first. Show. Working class right arrow lost lifetime savings. Farmers right arrow pledged land for tulip contracts. Young couples write arrow marriages broken over debt. Pawnbrokers write arrow warehouses full of worthless bulbs. Emotional quote from a farmer. A flower cannot feed my children, but my children must pay for my foolishness. The crash was not just financial, it was deeply human. Yet life has a strange way of healing even the deepest wounds. Focus. Some merchants rebuild business honestly. Tulip growers return to gardens, not markets. Amsterdam evolves into modern financial powerhouse. Economic shift. Banking reforms. More regulations on speculation. Birth of prudent investing. Quote from statesman. A market must serve society, not devour it. Visual ending. Slow shots of blooming tulips in morning light. Tulip Mania was a mirror. It showed the world its greed, its dreams, its flaws, and its endless hope. Even today, behind skyscrapers and stock screens, the ghost of 1637 whispers the same warning. Do not mistake illusion for value.